In this movie, I'm going to cover how to import a DXF file from a window manufacturer and how to change all the colors from usually yellow to black and white only. So let's start by going File in the menu bar, Import, and Import Single DXF DWG. So I need to look for my file, so it's in my Downloads folder. There it is there. So this is a file I've got from a manufacturer. I brought up this dialog box. I need to look at the advanced options, and I need to look at the graphic attributes. There. So I'm going to set my colors to black and white, and this will really help because quite often they come with yellow colors, very hard to see on a white background. We can also change our conversion to 2D only. That'll get rid of any 3D objects that are in there. We can fit it to a page, we can fit it to a scale. If we want to bring it into a specific drawing scale, like 1 to 5, then we can do that. Click OK, OK again, and it should import all of our DXF information. I'm going to tell it I don't have those fonts, and there it is there, and I've got everything in black and white. Now at the moment it's actually imported all of this into my layout space or my sheet layers. So here you can see it's a sheet layer. I need to go back to here and then I can see my drawings, and there they are. So they've brought in these are symbols. If we double click we can edit the symbol, and we'll see that the symbol's got a heavy line around the outside. We might make that very light. It's also got a fill. We can change that to a different color, or we could change the opacity of the fill and make it easier to read those details. Exit the symbol, and there you can see I've made a change to that particular symbol. So that's how you import the window joinery and convert it to the style that you want.